I'm back. All right, guys, I'm back. Yes, suck on that. 12 volt mafia, Milwaukee soy boys, all you Gyobis out there. Oh, I'll retool you. I'm back. Hi. Regardless of popular demand, I'm back. That's okay. Fluctuating like an emotional eater, trying to stay on diet. Here I am, back again, and I want to talk to you today about something very crucial, very important. Quite frankly, the most important thing, tools from China. Enough of that. No more De Niro impressions. I want to talk about tools, picking a lane, basically. Picking a lane, like choosing the best drill for the job, or the best tool to get the best impact, the best hole installer, that kind of thing. I've got Makita. I've got the DeWalt 1007 with the 8Ah battery. Fantastic. 12 volt Skil Power Core. I also carry this 18 volt Metabo triple hammer. The Ryobi Cheapo. Ryobi Cheapo. This one is just here to flex that I have made another poor tool choice. That's all I have to say about that. This one stays home. These four go with me every day to work. You gotta go with what feels right, with what works for you. Sometimes I do need it, and yeah, I could get by with something else like this. I can get by with this one. But if I wanna get through with the least amount of trouble as quick as I can through that concrete or through that, I wanna get in, I wanna get out, I wanna get it done. And that's the name of the game sometimes, you know, and get it done right, yes. First you gotta get it done, and you gotta get it done in a decent amount of time. And so I'm gonna pick the absolute ultimate thing that's gonna get me through, and I know somebody out there can agree. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know, that's okay. But then my old reliable Makita 18 volt been with me for quite a few years now. I just can't get rid of it. I don't think anybody would buy it, but when I want to grab something light and fluffy, it feels right in my hand, and that's what matters to me. The 12 volt Skil Power Core, USB outlet on the battery, awesome. And I'm back. If you are out on the job site, fun to use, the little Skil Power Core 12, love it. I'm doing a lot of stuff. I've got my vacuum and a bunch of my other tools are all Makita, so I'm gonna go with the Makita, my impact or my drill there. You know, if I really need to drill some serious holes and I want to get through with as little fuss as possible and make this job fast, get through anything I want, I got this nice big hardy DeWalt DCD1007. This thing with the 8Ah battery, gonna get me through just about anything, and it drills through concrete like you wouldn't believe. It just let it rip and just let it go. A lot of run time, a lot of juice, a lot of power. And yeah, it's heavy for sure. I mean, you can feel, there's gonna be fatigue compared to this 18 volt Makita. Very easy to handle something like a little 12 volt, but sometimes you need something more than 12 volts. Sometimes you need something more than 12 volts. And I'm back. Here's what I wanna talk about right now. I'm talking about this is what I'm carrying. And let me tell you something. Do I need them all? Maybe not. And I'm back.